This presentation on causal networks was prepared as part of the HAP 823 course on comparative effectiveness taught by Dr. Farouk Alemi at George Mason University, Department of Health Administration and Policy. We will be solving the following problem. Write a SQL code to calculate the probability of a negative outcome in the situation where the patient is severely ill and has not signed a do not resuscitate order. Note that probabilities for events that are mutually exclusive and exhaustive should add up to 1. We were given an Excel data set that contained these 4 tables. One relating to severity, one relating to DNR, one relating to treatment, DNR, and severity, and the other relating to outcome, treatment, and severity. And there are 4 variables in this data set: severity, DNR, treatment, and outcome. The first step is to import the Excel data into SQL. And to show the original values of the original tables, we use the select from function. The next step is to isolate severe cases. This was done by using select into a temporary table from the original file where the severity was not like the not severe value. We then use select from the temporary table to show what was in that temporary table. In step 3, we will be joining tables. We'll be joining tables severity DNR and probability treatment DNR and severity using an inner join function. We'll be joining on the columns severity and DNR. In step 4, we'll be summing the probabilities. This was done by using the sum function, and this can be seen in the table tx_sev. The sum of probabilities for a severe case with no treatment is 0.044, while the sum of probabilities for a severe case with treatment is 0.112. Step 3 will need to be repeated. In this case, we'll focus on treatment rather than DNR. So we will use the inner join function to join tables treatment, severity, and probability, outcome, treatment, and severity. And we will join using the columns P outcome, treatment, severity. Step 3 will need to be repeated. And this time we'll be focusing on the outcome. So we will be using an inner join function to join the tables treatment and severe and probability, outcome, treatment, and severe. We'll join on the columns severity and treatment. Step 4 will need to be repeated, but instead of treatment, we'll be focusing on outcome. So we'll be summing the probabilities, and the sum of probability for a severe case with a negative outcome is 0.0244. The sum of probabilities for a severe case with a positive outcome is 0.0268. In step 5, we'll need to normalize the probability in order for it to equal 1. The outcome of a severe case with a negative outcome is 47.66%, while a severe case with a positive outcome is 52.34%. Thank you for watching my presentation on causal networks.